Mr. Wasif, why are you here?
We want our environment clean.
Good.
The clean person is not the one that run away from dirt, but one who takes time and effort to dirty up dirty environment.
So, Dia, why you want your environment clean?
Because what you maintain clean keep away from diseases.
Very good.